Hey, welcome to my channel. This is the Power of Marketing channel. My name is Alex, and the goal of this channel is to help you grow your money-making online skills. Know everything there is out there that you can use to make money from home, from your computer, from your phone. There are actually hundreds and why not thousands of ways that nowadays in 2021, a post-pandemic era, ways that you can make money online from your computer, from home, from your phone. You can make money from your phone nowadays. But you need the proper training, you need the proper guidance. The money is out there, you just gotta go and find it. And one of the best ways to find it is going through YouTube, through TikTok. TikTok is amazing because you can go there and learn anything just with the proper filtering, of course. But actually my goal and my mission, my passion is, to have everything inside one place here on the Power of Marketing YouTube channel. So you can find how to make money on Pinterest, how to make money doing affiliate marketing on YouTube, on Facebook ads, websites that can pay you money, apps that can pay you money just for doing anything. The possibilities are endless. So search no more. I'm here to help you. I'm here to coach you and guide you. And that's the mission of this channel. That's why I named it Power of Marketing, because digital marketing is the best way to make money in 2021 and moving forward, 10, 20, 30 years moving forward, because everything is changing. The time is now. So if you want to get notified about the coming videos I'm working on, just hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon for all notifications, and you'll be notified when I upload my next videos. It's gonna be great, guys. I'm here to help you, and leave your comments below if you have any questions, if you have any comments to say. That's the comment section for anyway. So see you on the next videos, and thank you for being here and being part of the Power of Marketing.